welcome back to my channel. So today we have My Oasis by Sam Smith and we have featuring Burna Boy. So for this song we have the keeper on the first fret. We just have 3 chords to play, which is super great. Keeper on the first fret makes the chord open, otherwise we have to play the bar chords. So let's get started. Keeper on the first fret. Have a look at the first chord. It's a basic A minor chord, which is mute open, second, second, first open. Then the next chord is a normal G, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. Then the next chord is F, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. You can play it like this. Struggling with the F major chord, I made a video how to master the bar chords, so you can actually check out my channel. So that's it for the chord shapes. And have a look at the structure. But for this video, you don't have to look at the structure, because we have the same thing going throughout the whole song, which makes it super easy. I'm just going to show you one. This thing which goes in the intro and the pattern, finger picking pattern, which goes throughout the whole song. And if you find that a bit hard, you can just strum the chords. So let's get started. The chord progression for the whole song will be A minor, then a G, then an F, again an F. Which means we have the F major chord twice. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's down. 3, 4. Now what I like to do is I just lift off my ring finger from the second fret of the G string to an open. So it becomes a mute open, second open, first open. A minor 7. So let's dive into the finger picking pattern. Some basic, I'm using my thumb to play the A string or the E string. Maybe the A string or maybe the E string. Using my index to play the D string, middle to play the G string, ring finger to play the B string, and that's how it goes. Sometimes actually I just change, like sometimes I pick a G string for the index for the G string, but like it depends on the song, how I finger pick, how I use my fingers over there. Never mind, have a look at the tab. First chord is the A minor 7. We play the A string, then the D string, then the G string, then the B string, then the G. We repeat this twice. So we got once more. You move on to the next chord, which will be a G, and play the exact same pattern. Instead, you're just gonna change the bass note from the A string to the top E string. So we got E, D, G, B, G, E, D, G, B, G. Play twice, and you move on to the F major chord, but over here you play the F major 4 times. Following the exact same finger picking pattern of the G major chord, you play the F major chord 4 times because the F is repeated twice. So we got E, D, G, B, G, E, D, G, B, G. Last time. That's it. That's almost everything. So it's nice and easy to play with the keeper on the first fret. So let's play one more time. 2, 3, 4. One thing I just want to say is this is super easy, so I don't think you guys will like struggle a lot playing this one. So just pause the video practice, and I'm pretty sure about this that you guys can definitely do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's have a look at this chord strumming. Just want to finish up with the strumming of the chords, and then I'm just going to show you the little intro riff which we have. Have a look at the strumming pattern. Grab a pick. So we got the chord progression A minor, G, F, F. You're just going to do 2 downstroke on each chord, and it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and that's how it goes for the whole song. case you're wondering about the string pattern, this is exactly what you need. For the whole song, you just have that one finger picking. This just goes on throughout the whole song. So you can just play that for the whole song and just have a look at this intro riff. Remove the capo right now. So no capo, everything. I'm just gonna tell you the tab. Everything will be related for capo on the fret 0, which means no capo sound tuning. So let's get started. What I do is I do a hammer on, then a pull off from 10th fret to the 11th fret of the G string. So I got in a single stroke. I'm just gonna do the hammer on pull off. So we got, and then you're just gonna play the G string 8th fret, and then you're just gonna play the 10th fret on the G string twice, and this will be, you will not let it ring, you'll just play once, release, once, release. So down, up, as you do down, up in the right hand. So we got down, up, down, down, up, down. So down, up, down, up. Rest, and then we have, and then we do a slide from the 10 to the 11 and back to the 10 on the single down on the G string. And then you put your pinky on the 11th fret of the B string. You play 3 times 11th fret on the B string, doing a down, up, down. Then you play 9th fret on the B string 3 times again, basically down, up, down. Then you play 8th fret on the G string, 9th fret on the G string, 9th fret on the B string, I'm very sorry. And then after playing the 9th fret on the B string, you will do a hammer on from 8 to 10 on the G string. So you got, that's basically almost everything. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop in one of these. Just gonna play this one more time to clear all your doubts. Feel free to ask me down in the comment below any other song that you want to learn on guitar. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible, and it will help me a lot. And I'm just gonna do something special for it, and I will be improving everything as much as I can. So let's play it one more time for the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. That's everything. I'll see you guys back in next video. Till then, bye.